So to those individual holding Bitcoin, to those individual asking this question, what to expect next here in price action, then this video is definitely going to be for you, because in this video, I have prepared some interesting chart which is indicating us where the price of Bitcoin for the coming days, where the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term might be possibly hitting. So before I do that, before I start talking about these interesting scenarios, I just want you guys to quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much. Now, if we look at the price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame using this broadening bottom pattern, nothing much has changed. I mean, we are still inside this bullish continuation pattern, but for this bullish continuation pattern to play out, we have to overcome the resistance which we have here in a smaller time frame, and that is around 26,200 range. Yes guys, if we can flip this central line or the horizontal trend line around 26,200, 26,300 for better confirmation into support, then there is a very high probability for a price for the coming days to show another continuation, and in that case we could be heading towards this 28,000 line before choosing a trend duration. Yes guys, 28,000 is definitely going to be looked as our price opportunity if the price in the medium short term manages to find support above 26,200, 26,300 range, because we know breaking that resistance line means the price parallelly will be also breaking out of this diamond bottom pattern. According to this diamond bottom pattern, if we break the resistance which you have around 26,200, 26,300, then we could be slowly starting with a new impulsive movement here like this, because we know the price objective from this diamond bottom pattern will be somewhere around 27,200 to 28,000 range. That will be looked as our upcoming target. That's also the target from this broadening bottom. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that in the medium short term, if the price wants to show actual impulsiveness, then we have to overcome 26,300, 26,200 into proper support, and by doing that, there is a very high probability of price getting attracted in between 28,000 to 27,000 before choosing trend duration one more time, because we know, even if we look at this in a very simple way, I mean, by using this horizontal trend line, the central line has always acted as a line of resistance, and that can be seen very clearly. I mean, each and every time the price of Bitcoin showed some impulsiveness, this horizontal trend line always rejected us. So now, if the price in the medium short term wants to show actual impulsiveness, this horizontal trend line or the central line from this parallel channel around 26,200, 26,300 must be flipped into proper support, because by doing that, this trend is very likely to show another continuation here like this, because we know the price of Bitcoin in that case could be again getting attracted in between monthly S1 line and monthly S2 line from this leading indicator. Yes guys, this central pivot range is a leading indicator which gives us information beforehand, and according to this August CPR central pivot range, the price right now is in between S3 and S2, lower trend line around 25,000, S2 trend line around 27,000. So if we can break this 26,300, 26,200 into support, you can see even the S2 line will be attracting us. So in that case, again, the price will come in between 28,000, 27,000 before choosing an actual trend duration like this. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin after getting attracted to the upside could be in a very interesting stage, because if we look at this, I mean, even using this daily scenario, even using this alligator RSI MACD, according to this indicator, price of Bitcoin so far is clearly showing weakness, right? RSI below 50, MACD still looks bearish. Even this Williams alligator indicator is bearish. So in the medium short term, if we do see impulsiveness, if the price does breaks out of this key line, then at least around the top Williams alligator indicator is where we are expecting the price to get attracted before choosing a trend duration like this, right? Before showing another crossover, a bullish crossover or continuation of this bearish crossover, even RSI jumping over 50. For that, we need to flip this 26,300, 26,200 resistance in the medium short term into proper support, because by doing that, you will see the price of Bitcoin to show another continuation at least in between 28,000 to 27,000 before choosing a trend duration. And now before I switch the chart, I just want to share with you this very important announcement, and also very good announcement, because CryptoAnupPlatinum Group, which was our private group, will be available for public for limited time. Yes guys, anyone who isn't part of this CryptoAnupPlatinum Group is getting chance to join our group, where I will be sharing my trades, where I will be providing with more information regarding Bitcoin, altcoin, the market sentiment, and so on. So if you aren't part of this group, the link is in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. And also, being part of this group will give you access to all my trading indicator trading videos. Now let me switch the chart. Now let me show you with another example why there might be some more range bound, there might be some more relief rally in between 28,000 to 27,000 before price release a trend duration, or even a corrective move in here towards 20,000 to 21,000 range. Because according to this Bitcoin CME gaps, we have one gap around 27,000 which is still open, and another one around 20,000 to 21,000 range. Yes guys, in the medium short term, even if this bullish scenario plays out, price gets attracted towards the upper trend line 27-28k, even the diamond bottom pattern. In that case, we have to be very careful, because we know getting rejection around that range means the price could show another bigger retracement around 20,000, 21,000 range before finding bottom, before starting a new impulsiveness, because we know the price target around 20,000, 21,000 actually makes a lot of sense. If you look at this rising wedge, if you look at this head and shoulder, which is playing out in a daily time frame, I mean, even if the price in the medium short term does show some impulsiveness, gets attracted around 27, 28,000, be careful. Only after flipping that into proper support, we know the bearish scenarios are going to get invalidated. But as long as the price remains below 28,000, any sort of a rally in the medium short term will be looked as a temporary rally or relief rally before price again starts showing another continuation here to the downside. And why? Because the price objective from this rising wedge, the price objective from this head and shoulder are both lying around 21,000 to 20,000 range. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much.